In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up payments on Teachable. By the end, you'll know exactly where to configure your payment options, how to choose the right gateway for your school, and how to complete the onboarding so students can start checking out smoothly. First, log into your Teachable admin and open your school. From your dashboard, head to Settings, then select Payments. This is the control center for everything related to payment methods and payouts. If you've just created your school, this page might show prompts to begin setup. If you're returning, you'll see your current configuration and options to change it. On Teachable, you'll typically see three types of gateways. The first is Teachable Pay, which is the native option powered by Stripe. It accepts major credit and debit cards, and in many regions it can also enable PayPal and digital wallets like Apple Pay and Google Pay at checkout. It's designed to be simple, with streamlined onboarding and flexible payout schedules. The second option is the monthly payment gateway. This sends your payouts to PayPal on a monthly cycle. It's useful if teachable. Pay isn't available in your country, but keep in mind that payouts are batched and usually slower. The third is a custom payment gateway, which lets you connect your own Stripe and/or PayPal account directly if your plan and location support it. This gives you more control, though availability varies by plan and country, and you may be responsible for more of the account management. If Teachable Pay is available to you, here's how to set it up. In Settings under Payments, choose your country so Teachable can show the right options. You'll be guided through a brief onboarding where you'll provide your business and contact details, verify your identity, and add the bank account where you want funds deposited. This is done through Stripe Express, and it only takes a few minutes if you have your information handy. Next, pick your payout timing: daily, weekly, or monthly. Choose what best aligns with your cash flow and accounting needs. Note that the first payout can take a little longer while your account finishes verification. When everything looks correct, save your settings. Once your gateway is set up and saved, students will be able to pay at checkout using cards via Stripe, and depending on your configuration and region, options like PayPal and mobile wallets may appear automatically. Before launching widely, preview your checkout to confirm the available methods display as expected, and make a small live test purchase if possible to ensure funds flow to your bank. Keep your business details up to date. Review any fees associated with your chosen gateway, and make sure your refund policy is clear on your sales pages. That's it. Your Teachable payments are ready to go.